Hey, what's happening, everybody? Zach here checking back with you. So, Shiba Inu crossed over the 1 million holder mark not too long ago. And I'm here to tell you in this video why this next 70,000 holders that they've added recently hits another milestone and keeps the ball rolling amid this downturn and really choppy market. Shiba Inu is still adding holders like the likes of Ethereum and Solana. It continues to add people and grow their network even during downturns in the market. And this is a big deal. Okay. I know the price action hasn't been great. I get all that. But listen, it's a bigger picture than just the price here today as we sit, right? We're looking at 3, 4, 5 years from now and what kind of network growth we can see and what kind of ecosystem we can grow in this time frame. So despite questionable performance on the cryptocurrency market, the SHIB network is continuously growing by welcoming more than 70,000 newcomers after reaching the 1 million mark a little over a month ago. So we got to 1 million, but then in a month's time, a little bit less than actually, we've a little over actually when we reached a million. We've still added about 70,000 the next month, which is huge. That is a huge number of new holders within a month's time. Now, the current number of holders is an important fundamental milestone for the token that went through a very rough patch, easy for me to say, recently after losing almost 70% of its previously gained value. So, number of users as a fundamental factor here too. This is an interesting aspect of this. Now, the increasing number of users may not have an immediate effect on the coin or token in terms of market price. Okay, what I said at the top, but from a fundamental growth standpoint, a number of holders are a key determinant of the asset's future. This is something I've been stressing for a long, long time now. With projects like Ethereum and Solana receiving an increase in the number of their holders as well on the network, all future projects based on its blockchain are more likely to receive the monetary support of the community. Talking about the blockchain, SHIB is creating its own layer 2 with Shibarium. This, I think, will keep people in this network for the long term because you're not going to have to rely on other blockchains, even though it's an ERC20 token. Shibarium could come before Ethereum 2.0. That is something we've also addressed in recent videos. Now, the token does not offer much of anything in terms of positive price action right now, but we know how quick things can turn around for SHIB, and it doesn't take much for a huge number of investors to FOMO in. The large popularity of the token among investors is explained by the rapid price increase that took place at the beginning of October, which resulted in more than a 1,000% growth in less than a month. So now we've had two major surges, one in May, one in October. When will the next one be? That's the big question. At press time, the asset trades at the 3-1 level and is losing 0.3% of its value. The daily volatility of the asset has currently reached approximately 0.5. But I'm here to tell you, okay, SHIB will have another parabolic run. It's just that type of asset that has so much momentum now behind it. It's no longer a joke. It's no longer a question of will this thing survive? Will it last? It's here. It's not going anywhere. It is a blue chip community coin. It, along with Dogecoin, make up about 85% of the meme coin market. Okay, it's huge. It's massive. And it's not going anywhere. It's only going to grow. You see what they're doing in the gaming sector, adding William Volk. You see what they're doing with Shibarium. You see what they're going to do with future NFT projects. Every single time that FOMO happens in the market, Shiba Inu is going to have a really great opportunity to be at the head seat at the table because it's number one, it's a cheap asset to acquire. Number two, it has one of the loudest, if not the loudest and strongest communities in crypto, in all of crypto. And it's always sitting in the top 5 in terms of, Google trend traffic, Twitter traffic, right? We've talked about that in some upcoming or some former videos as well. So that's what I've got for you here. Just keep this all in perspective, how much we're still growing amid this choppiness in the market. And also keep in mind, next week is week number 1 of our weekly podcast that we will be presenting only for insiders. Here's how we're planning to do it. It'll probably be a Zoom call where we both will have the audio file and the video file for you. So if you're on the go, you got to be an insider Patreon member with me or Austin. But here's the thing. You can have the audio file and the video file. You can listen to it at your own pace. It's going to be really cool. Nice added perk for our insider members. Can't wait to start that one up. We're going to talk about new projects, new tokens. It's going to be really, really cool. We're going to add a ton of value to an already great value proposition that is offered through our Patreon groups and Discord groups. So that's what I've got for you. Very grateful for each and every one of you for stopping by the channel all the time. Appreciate you. Give this video a thumbs up if you got some value, and I'll see you in the next one.